Hello everyone. Welcome back to my little endeavors in learning how to mod for Hat in Time. Shade Table, Bacon, good to see you guys. How you doing? Okay, so I have, I think, most everything that I need open. As you can see, I did a little bit of work on this cat hood, figured out how some basic materials. Also deleted the hair so it looked better. But that's just for example purposes. The only thing we're actually using is this. So I've already exported it, but I will be keeping Blender open in case we need to do that again and stuff. Hello Gamer, good to see ya. How you doing? Bacon's doing well, that's good to hear. Hello Kurix, good to see you as well. How are you doing? We Hatton. Though Hatton in a different way. We are making a hat. Okay, let me put that to the side. And yep. So let's hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to do this, because I was looking at the already made things, specifically the cat beanie, which I have based the shape and I guess the physics also. We're going to have to figure those out. But if I open that thing up, no time to hat. Always time to hat. And like looking at the material tree on this, I'm like, what is even happening there? So yeah, goal for now I think is to do something a little simpler. Specifically, where is it? It's somewhere in here. Here we go. The hat ribbon material. That's like solid color. So it's like, it's still quite a few nodes that I don't really understand, but hopefully we'll be able to set it up. Okay. For now though, let's take a look at this guide. Setting up a hat flare by Stars. Hopefully it still works. That's some procedural material, probably, because a lot of those, oh, actually I still have it open. A lot of these, oh wait, no. Yeah, I don't know. Solid color, diffuse, multiply layers, gradient mapping, bleh. A lot of these are like shadow map, which, what even? Like, yeah, it's shadow, but I don't know. We'll get into that, or not. I might just try and avoid it as much as possible. Yeah, I'll close that for now. Don't want to get too crazy with all of the windows. Okay. So I got most of this done, except texture material. I think I might have to export some variations of the material or something. And for now, let's get it into the editor. Let's see. It's already got bones. We got that. I've exported it with the edge and no leaf bones. Oh, and also, I think I forgot, but hello, Sam. Good to see ya. Hope you're doing well. Okay. We just want to import it. Boop, boop. Select the import button at the bottom, right there. And then I have this. I have two, which like one has an embedded material, the other not. Gonna try with both of them. We're going to go with this one first though. Do I need to do anything with this package? My package? Yeah, I think I just leave that alone. Oh, no, we need to make it other than this. Call it... what do we want to call it? What did you call it? You called it... STIDDD hat. What do I want to call this? Like, the file here is that. I think I called it like cat hood in the material. Yeah, let's just go with what I called the model. And we can have spaces here. So neck on minion hood. Grouping don't need. Yay. Failed. Name contains invalid character. Are underscores not accepted? Let me maybe this. Call it 2. 1. The other one can be 2. We'll call this one 1. No? Is it the 1? Can I do that? Does this need to have no spaces? Oh, it's probably that, isn't it? Yeah, it's that. Import failed. Okay. Let's try it with this one then. Sam, always there. Head pat. Thank you for the head pats. And custom reward cat size scarf. That we do already have a scarf model. I need a light. Yeah, I can set that up. Okay. And make a note of it somewhere. Where's my thingy? Oh, did that and scarf reward. There we go. Do you have any specific idea for the scarf, or do you just want me to put it as what I already had? I guess I could add some color variations because the other one is like importing status 0 progress. The other one is like winter themed candy cane, red and white alternating. Is this actually importing? Oh no, I need to put this stuff in first. Hood. Not hood. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. Why is that failing? Next, gonna come down. Checkbox next to import materials, import textures. And should be that. Hit OK. That's fine. Not giving me an error, it's just saying like invalid. Import materials, import texture. That's already there. Import meshes, import hierarchies. I just say okay to all. Yeah, like, I don't care about that. Why is it failing? Whatever I want, but I want it to be redeemable. There it goes, great. I customize custom chat overlay. Ooh. I look forward to seeing how that goes. Word. Interesting. Okay, how about I'm gonna try and like re-export this. Unless it has already like been in there. Like the import is just messing with me. What is all of this stuff? Workshop, hand tying. Yeah. I put this there. Okay, that's because I was searching for a costume. Mods, creator hash, custom. Oh, maybe it's because I was trying to import it into there. Now let's click one of these. I want it in the sword one, so Nekomod 2. Out here. Import. Open this. This one, maybe. Yeah, this one. Yeah, import it into this. Keep that name. Get all of that. Not fully loaded. Do you want to fully load it? Not doing so. Will import. Yeah. Okay. Import failed. Okay. This is the only thing I want to import. Got the roots, got pose, hood. And do that. actually want to get all of these. That's an FBX. Geometry is edge. No bones. Yeah, that should be fine. So maybe I should just create as a new object, because this was made with like the base of these imported ones, so maybe something's messing it up. This is what I'm supposed to do, right? Import it, select the file, put in the info on the window. Materials. Okay. And it should be importing. Oh, what? Huh. And why did that work? Oh, also a lot of these are... Oops. Forgot how many materials got added through my importing those other items. Is in use. Okay, so is it going to, that's material 001. Is it going to, are they all in use? Shoot, they're all in use. Okay, I need to go back into the Blender file and... Oh yeah, and one of them is the actual material, isn't it? No, wait, no, that's the material that I need. Okay, just delete it all. Yep. Don't care. Don't need these. Shoot. Let me open that again. Let's grab over to that. And then all of these materials. Oop. Oh, do I need to delete them individually? Okay. Let me just keep doing that. There we go. Now we have one material. And that should be fine. Now we export that. We'll do that. And then if I import skeletal mesh here, that should make it so I can delete this. Yep, deleted, no problem. Okay, get rid of all of that. Clean it up a little. Oh, this one is in use. What is it being used by? We had two on native reference. Okay. that different from this? I guess it is. Okay. If it's in use, I'll leave it alone then. Now that is saved. We'll quickly save that. Make sure it's in there properly. What are you guys doing? Oh, that is a long word. In the middle of... That's the wrong word, wrap. Or warp. Yeah. I think there was a setting for that, and I might have turned it off accidentally, or just didn't turn it on. Either way. That you got recorded. See how it fits into the hat kid. Let's see. Go up to here. Let's find hat kid head. Where aren't you? Oh, pad. Head. Want to open that in the viewer. Okay. Now we want the socket manager right here. And we want hit clear previews. X over the cube, this one. Okay. Find the Thor hat socket and select it. Or there we go. Select that. And then go to your own package. Left click. What's on your hat mesh? Okay, we're going to find the hat we imported, which is right over here. If I remove the search. Oh. Okay, yeah, worry about the materials later. That is selected. Now we can put it over preview skeleton mesh. This one. That's selected, yeah. Click once, yeah. Or hat. Hold on, I was clicking the wrong one. There we go. And now we need to lower it down. I think the size is fine, especially since I already put the hat kid model in Blender and sized it. Yeah, that was done. Right size, still open. Right click, open your own hat in the viewer. There we go. Let's make that a little smaller. Right. Wait, what's the room again? This one is. Okay. Right, okay. Regular click to rotate. Where's the other one? Here we go. Put that down there. organize these a little. Zoom in, click rotate. It's fine. Okay, that's for that. In this one, it'll automatically update when we move this around. So, want to look at its settings here. And I want the bounds origin to move a little. Can I make this wider? Okay, there we go. This one. Y. Yeah. That's not changing anything. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up there. Origin, rote origin. It should be this one. Not moving though. I need to like select it. I can rotate it. I don't want to do that. How do I undo? No. What did I do? If I just close that and reopen it, there must be a way to like reset that. Okay, let me. What are you guys talking about? That's it. Okay. Okay. Seriously, what am I doing? We want the mesh. Yeah. Okay. Can I like move these properties up? Oh, I can. There we go. Let me shrink that window. Get a better view of this thing. Okay, here we go. That was the bounds. We want the origin here. And if I do this, that is actually affecting it. Which axis do I need again? Z? Is it the Z axis? So I put minus like 50 here. Yeah, okay, it's the Z axis I needed. And let's go over here so we can actually see what it's doing. There we go. Minus 50 was pretty good. How about 70? A little too far. 65. A little too low. Not quite. 63. No. Okay, let's also make sure that it's, yeah, that's fine. I just need to zoom out. Wait, actually, is that good? No, I wanted it lower a little. Maybe the shape is just completely off. There is going to be a little bit of like collar where the shirt often is. Okay, let's go to... No, I wanted to go further down, so 65. Okay, maybe I should scale it up a little. Yeah, because I wasn't really accounting for the eyes when I did it first. Okay, that's fine position-wise. It needs to be a little bit taller, though. Let's go back to here. Do I need to save this, or is it fine? Oh, there's the undo button. Adjust it. Head. Static mesh. Rotate. Save. Oh, we'll just Control S. I think that saves. If it doesn't, oh well. Okay, go back here. It looked fine here, but yeah, it's actually going to be a bit lower to account for both the eye and the neck space. Okay, let me switch over to layout. Let's just edit it. Yeah, just edit. And what do I want to do here? Do I want to just lift the top? Or... Because we could try doing a bit of sculpt. Just kind of raise it up like that. Or just slightly move these vertices upwards. Decisions. I don't really want to scale it up sideways, so I think I might just hard edit these. What happens if I do this? Maybe inflate. Yeah, that kind of raises it up. So maybe I don't want it to affect the ears. But actually, let me open this again. Let's see where exactly it needs to be a little bit higher. Elastic deform. Oh yeah, that. Yeah, I should use that. Thank you. Now let me see this. Yeah, we also have a bit of hair peeking out right there, so I think just lift the entire top. by a little bit. Like this. Maybe these ones as well. Try to make it so I don't affect the ears. I'm going to select the edges. I want to leave those alone. We'll just go like around these. Oops. Already mirroring, so honestly I only need to select this side. I also want to turn that on, so it kind of does what I want it to. I'm gonna go a mess of vertices, or the ones that I want to select. Kind of like, okay, where is it originally? Right there. It only needs to go up a tiny bit. Maybe a little less in the middle. I know there's so much faster ways to do this, but there it is. Okay. I think that's high enough. Hopefully that's high enough. It's a little peeking out on the side as well. Where exactly was that? It was actually right behind the ears. So I think that might already be covered. I don't know, select it is and hide. Oh, I thought that was just like objects. Good to know. Okay. And now I need to move all of the stitches. Wish I like had a way to connect those. If I select one edge, I can do the whole thing, right? Yeah, that's fine. It might be easier to pick out the vertices of these. Which ones need adjusting? These ones on the side are fine. The back needs a little bit of editing. And I don't think these are actually properly mirrored, so I'll just select all of them in case. Yeah, I think that one looks fine. These ones, starting from maybe here, this could use a lift. Okay, let's switch back. there. Just kind of raise, oh whoops, turn that off. Raise it up a bit. Wait, how do I deselect this? Okay, you know what? It's easier to lower it down, so let me just raise all of these first. Why is that one so low? Yeah, these are kind of just haphazardly placed. The shape of the hood adjusted a little, so I had to also readjust each of the stitches to make sure they looked right. Unfortunately, made them very tedious to edit. That one's still like inside the thing. Just poke that out. So make sure it's actually attached. I was not planning to edit the model this much. Yeah, that side looks fine. Good enough. Control I, invert. That's a thing? Oh. Learning new shortcuts. Yeah, when I say I haven't touched Blender in a while, I really haven't. Just that one. It is so rotated. Then down, maybe a little bit this way. As long as it's generally connected, then looks fine. There we go. Okay. That's still, let me go back to object mode. That still looks okay. Have a little more space for the hair now. Let's select everything again and re-export. After the X, and it is this one. Well, let's save that as well. There's a cream mistress. Okay, now re-import. Okay. And did that change this? No. I think I might need to. Okay, let's select. Yeah, that's there. Let's save it. And then like redo that. No. Yeah. Did it change? I can't tell. If I clear that out. And then I think it might be a little better. Okay, let's go back here. Maybe if I just nudge it like half a unit or something, it'll look fine. 6.5, that's still too high, so if I go like that. Oh wait, no, it was too low. That was the issue. We want to go 5, but make it 6.4. There we go. That looks fine. You can still kind of barely see the eyes. The neck isn't showing. Maybe I should have like done something with neck, but that's how the dino hood ended. It kind of just goes inward. Okay, that's fine. We will need to set up the materials, but for now, it looks good. So kid's hair is handled differently, so we need to go kid. Hold on. Kid head SKM in the content browser in Hat and Time game. Kid head. Kid underscore head. There we go. And we'll need to fit it here as well. Make it size up. Real selection groups. Okay. Take note of which selection group you like best and save it for later. The one I need is the one without the bangs or the ponytail. So I'm not sure where that is on Hat Kid. Section group. Let's see. Let's find. Oh, whoops. Go back to that. No. I could head. There we go. Is there literally nothing here? Huh. Maybe it's a skeleton tree. Browser, not skeleton mesh. Yeah. There should be a setting for that, because Hat Kid does have other hats, like the hood and the helmet. Looks like we can't view them here though. Okay. Which one was Kid? This one is. Let's zoom in. Move that. Yep. Oh gosh, that perspective. Now we want to do socket manager. Go down to the door hat. Review our mesh. Which we do that. Click and move that into here. Okay. And looks a bit oversized on Kid. Does it need to fit both of them at the same time? Head is slightly smaller. Adjust the scale on the model or adjust the origin until it fits both of them. I mean, it does fit. I don't think I need to change. Unless, except for maybe the back part, but oh, hold on, that extends lower. Okay, maybe there is a thing on Hat Kids section group. Flat hair? Which hat? Which one is... What is happening with that ice hat one? Oh yeah, because it's like a beanie. It's, they have a little bit of hair sticking out. Kid hat. Bow. Okay, I think the one that fits us is just flat hair. Yeah. And then for Hat Kid, if I lower that down, then the section group we need for here is apparently none. Maybe it's a different model that has it. Oh well. Leave it for now. If the position is fine, that's all we need. Thank you very much for the head pat, Shade. Additional information about different sockets and dweller flares. Choose the Thor hat socket as it's easiest to use. No word effects, translation or rotation, with it being centered. You can try different sockets and see different effects. The Hat Kid socket bounces a lot more than the others. Flips back and forth. Let's see. The Kid Hat socket allows you to animate your hat with the Helper Hat ability. How it jumps off your head and spins around. Dweller mask gets a bit more complicated since you want to line up with the green eyes. Your hat is smaller. The sockets can change the scales. Interesting. Badge sockets. You'll need to set up your badge sockets, right? Where do we want our badges to appear? This time it'll be completely empty. And when you open the socket manager for Hat Kid head mesh, do the same for our head mesh, which is, let me just put that down there. Don't wanna minimize it completely. Actually, will that get rid of it? No, it won't. Put that there. Don't need this either. Okay, zoom in. Turn around. There we go. We want to shrink that a little. Okay. Go to the socket manager for our hat. Hit new socket. Call it badge A. Phone name. Oh. okay to... yeah, just that one, I guess. I probably should have renamed that bone, huh? And then same way you put your hat in the preview, paste this. We'll copy that. And this, it goes into the static mesh. Can I just like, yeah, I can type it in, so. Gotcha. No? Okay, we'll just find it in the content browser. What are we looking for? Badge standard. And then also not in our custom stuff. Do that. There we go. That looks there. You can use spacebar to toggle between rotate and translate, mess around with it. Thank you for the hydrate, gamer. Okay, I think we'll make this a little bit bigger, easier to see. Okay, so oh gosh, maybe we should minimize that. There we go. And can I like scale it? Rotate, translate. Let's get that back. There's relative scale. So I'd put like, yeah, okay. I want to make these a little smaller. And also, what was it to toggle? Spacebar. I want to rotate it this way. And then transform there. A little bit over here. There we go. I'm gonna kind of put it in the back area where it's less intrusive. If you don't want it to show, should I put it as just it won't show? Nah. We'll just make them small. Maybe 0.3. Wait, 0.3 looks alright. Maybe it's too small actually. 0.4. And then we want 3 of those. Edge A, B, and C. Can I like copy this? No. Badge B and badge B. Badge C. There we go. Now we need to preview these as well. I'll just do that. That's already selected. That for both of them. Done. And this is 0.4. Maybe I might put a little bit of size variation between them as well. We'll see. Not 4.4. Put it off to the side. Where did it go? Went over there apparently. And this one spawned up here. Where do I want to put you? Just have it all on one side, I think. Yeah, I'll just have it all on this side. I'll do like a messy triangle of badges. Get a little closer. And rotate that. Rotate you. Rotate you. And get that near the mesh, like right there-ish. A little bit, tiny bit more there. Okay, am I happy with that placement? We offset it a little. Put it right there. Back to the rotate. Let's give it a little bit of that. Okay. Then do the same for these ones. Let's adjust B. Them out a little bit. And this way in the rotation. This way in that rotation. And a little bit this angle. Okay. That's fine. Now I just rotate it a bit. That's not clipping into. Okay. Tiny bit outward. Good. And then tiny bit. Okay, maybe I should actually use. What's this changing? Changing the x-axis. So do that, but it's come toward me. Go down a little. They're right there. Okay. Am I happy with that placement? I'll put it a little bit more like this. Right there. Which badge is that? Badge C? Yeah, that one we want a little bit closer. Mesh. Very obviously loading. And I think that's good. There we go. Spend like 10 minutes just placing some badges. Scale 0. Okay, now to set up the materials, which is the part that I have a little bit reddened. Okay, it has materials. Right click new material. Those our materials did get imported. They're in here. Do that. Save it all. There we go. It showed up as this material. So let's open that up. Okay. And yeah, that's what it looks like. We got this far, we can do this. Can't wait for the test. Can't wait to see how broken it is. I'm sure it will be fine. The thing we'll have to figure out for ourselves is the physics, because this tutorial does not go into that. Okay, material is open, blend mode to masked. Let me go down here. Blend mode, mask, and let me shrink that a little bit. The lighting mode to VR. That, let it load. And we want to hook up a player shader function. Material. Here, shader. Okay, you know what? Let me just go over here, and we shall open one of these so that I can basically just copy paste some stuff. Oh man, I looked at the headphones for the material. That one's complex. Where's just the plain yellow? Wait, really, where is it? Did I miss it? I think I might have missed it. There we go. Let's open that up. And maybe also close some of these that I'm not using. We'll keep that one open since it's our main hat. This is the material editor. Random set, don't need that anymore. Oh, that's the editor itself. Login manager, we place the badges. It's fine. Okay. Shrink that down. And I can... Is just Control C, Control V gonna work? Yes, it is. Okay. So if I look at this, we want to basically just put this in between these things. Yeah. Come on. Select. Oh right, I can't actually move that first material one. I really should rename that. Break the link. And connect all of these. Yeah. Diffuse power is not a thing. Emissive goes to emissive. Transmission mask and color. Normal. Metallic. Roughness. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. At least on that one. There isn't anything different for this, is it? No, it looks fine. Oh, actually, opacity mask, it goes to alpha. And world position offset. That's different. That's vertex. Oh wait, no, it's right here. It's just in a different place. Oh, I'll connect that up. Okay, 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, and then emissive, specular, and actually emissive should have something, right? Or maybe not. Does this have... Yeah, emissive is emissive. Did I forgot to connect that one. Okay, now it's got everything. Cat track, and the one before was file management. Now the world position offset being hooked into handles the warping of the muddy effect. If your hat doesn't work well with that, you can unhook to disable it. Well, seeing as it's a hood, I'm pretty sure it would get pretty muddy. We'll see how it goes. Oh, that means I need to actually go into the muddy level. That should be good to go. Check mark. Missing function input diffuse. Nope. I forgot to reconnect it. Hold on. Ah. Why did you click behind it? Let me put that down there. wait, no, I think I accidentally double-clicked. And it just like, yeah. That connects to that, right? This dye texture sample. Okay. Okay, that's appearing there. But is it appearing on the hat itself? Oh, compiling shaders. It's doing stuff. It looks like a Pokeball. It's a purple ball. No, that did not do anything. Maybe it's because of this texture. Normal. Are there any other texture thingies that came with it? No, that was the material. That was the texture. If I just hit save on the content browser itself. Nothing? Still, Oh, hold on. How are you previewing? It's previewing the actual object. How do I do that? Selected content, static mesh and content browser. Click this green arrow. Click the mesh, and then click the green arrow. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look. And if I go over, that's still not there. I need to hit save again. Where'd my content browser go? Right here. No, that's already like saved. Click the green check mark up here. That's gonna do that. And not responding. We'll wait for it to respond. There we go. And if I look over at, where is it? Still nothing. But it does look right in here. Used with skeletal mesh, used with static lighting. Texture sample, text chord. Make sure these things. Translucency usage, used with skeletal mesh, yeah. Used with static lighting. Right here. Come on. There we go. Higher shade. We already did that. Yeah, that's the end of like the material. Get me back to the center. Where am I? Okay, apply changes. I'm gonna wait for that to do its thing. Did anything change here? Nope. Is it because I haven't applied like just the material at all? Is it because it's using material 1, not material 4? Can I change that? Oops. How do I scroll that? Cloth, imposter, soft body. Okay, we're probably going to have to do something with that. Materials, here we go. Let me click that. And then... there we go. How do I deselect it? There we go. Now it's working. Yeah, we were just on the wrong material the entire time. Still don't know why that's there, considering we're supposed to be using this one. Oh well. Wait, does that mean I can delete that actually? Don't need it. The only reference to this object is the undo history. Clear undo history, clear undo history. Yeah. Okay. Now, we could test it right now, but I want to take a quick peek at if I can figure out how the original cat beanie does its physics. Costume. Beanie. Let's see, open that in the anim set viewer. Does it have like soft body stuff? Got a lot of textures going on, which I kind of do want to add to mine as well. I'm not going to touch the materials again for now. Pull those up. Oops, maybe not that far up. Let's see, clothing assets. Nothing here. Materials, it's using the instance time varying material there. Soft body. It does have some settings here. Let me go down to mine. Those are all the same though. Is it cloth? Animation. Load info. Nah. Is there anything in the animation? No, so it's just... I don't know what it is. That's why we're looking around. If we can find out. Heck. Come on. There's cat Beanie. That's the skeletal mesh that we're currently viewing. Somehow. I think I accidentally broke these, the resized. Oh. I guess that works. Yeah, no idea. Let's see, that's the material. I wanted to click over here and look at these. Let's see if there's anything like different between them. Although maybe I did use this as an origin. Maybe it's already set there. I'll continue. Use soft body for simple law physics. Yeah, maybe it's just already soft body bones. Hold on, let me look at that again. Means it wasn't set in here. I don't think it was. Soft movement, soft body. Yeah, they're like, there wasn't anything set in here. What about costume? So, ribbon. What about this one? This one has a lot of physics going on. Is there anything different about it here? Not really. Yeah, those are all the same. Cloth advanced. That's for something else. You said the hard bones are soft body bones. Probably. I'm just not sure if it's even necessary, because the cat hood that I'm basing it on doesn't have anything set there. Like if I look at this one, which is like the origin of the bones that I have in mine, nothing is here. Soft body. But yeah, I can't set it. I just need to actually write it down. Okay, we'll remove that. Alt bone weighting. What is mesh weights? Russian settings, notify and okay, ooh. Body. Debug. Can I use this to like view how it'll work? I don't know what that did. Okay, let's start scripting it into the actual game. Hold on. I want to go over here. Oh, not that one. I want this one. Character test. We're going to browse mod. And socket name. Weird behavior. Setting up file structure. Here we go. The script you see in the content package. Yep. We already have classes and content folders. Okay. Let's go into our classes. We'll put it in skins. I do already have this, which, let me open that. Which, like, contains the testing I did for just adding dyes. Which worked. Should I put it in the same one? Or maybe separate? That one's in this one, yeah. Extends game mod, yeah. Let's keep it separate, maybe. In costumes, I guess. Yeah, I should like rename that to costumes. That's what it's in the content browser, but for now, just create new text document. Call it Neko Hats. We are in a UC file. Yep. Oh wait, hold on. Well, what's this one? Oh, that's the actual code for the die. Copy you. And actually, that might be the UC file. Is this the content one? Okay. can't. Why can't we open that? That's just not a thing we can. Which one was it? Oh, it was localization. We had that. Okay, so everything we need to do is in here. Yeah, for the weapon sword we had these two. Skins, we have Neko hats. Nope, unclick that. Open up this. Copy paste all of this stuff. And for there you go, Heckler script. What is the naming convention for this? Something. I open both of these. All of those to the side that I'm not actually working with right now. This one as well. Okay, so we had the game mod file, which is this. That's the first part is all the same. And then the stuff we want to add to. And then this is the item itself. And for these, file name, yeah, the file name needs to be the same as it. So let's call this X extends game mod. Unload will give us that. Do we need to do anything here? Yep. Copy that. That's cosmetic item quality info. And does this need to be in the localization or just in here? I think just in here. So we want another text file. Call it echo. Okay. Need to do something. Server underscore weapon. So let's go maybe underscore hat. Mod hats. Yeah, that seems better. it to be cat hood. At text. UC file, not text file. Yep. And then we want to open that. Over here, let's reopen this one as well, since it got renamed, and make sure it matches. This one is going to Control V, rename this to cosmetic quality. Cool. Okay. Extends our hat. That's what I named it, right? Yeah, cat hood hat. Extends that. And default properties, matchability, cosmetically apply to. In this case, it's the ice hat, which works out because actually, do I want it to be an ice hat? I could make it a different one. Maybe my sprint hat, I'm always using that one. Yeah, let's do something different. We already have the beanie for the ice hat. Gonna find all the other ability names. Copy that. And there's this index of Ring Hat Fox Mask. At section group. Still don't know which hat section group I want. Oh, we can turn the ponytail off. Which group was it called? Just flat? Try and find that. Yeah, let's close you. Yeah, just close the materials. Where'd my content browser go? View. There you are. And we want to find Go Kid's head. So Go Kid head. And oh, hold on, it's down here because I moved all the stuff. We want flat hair, so hopefully that's the same for both of them. Flat hair, capital letters. Oh, hello. Thank you very much for the raid, how do I say that? have the syncerdum? Syncerdum? Thank you very much for the raid. Hello everyone. Nice peaceful programming. Yeah. I am doing some Hat in Time modding today, or at least attempting to. We're learning. Trying to make a hat flare. Tav is fine. Tavern. Welcome, Tav. Hope you had a good stream. Let's see what we were doing. And where are you? There we are. We're playing Dead by Daylight. Ooh, how was that? How was it going? Okay, I was in the middle of figuring out which things we want to add to this. The model is as ready as it's gonna get for now. We just need to actually do the scripting. Cosmetic item we apply it to. What even is statue? Oh, statue fall is the ice hat. Close that. Wrong browser. They gave us cosmetic item we apply it to. Okay. Yeah. Full ability name. Oh, I need to open these, I guess. I wanted to try and put it on sprint. So I guess hat ability sprint. Yeah, hat ability sprint. Interesting. Apparently the ice hat is called statue fall. Sprint. There we go. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. Item quality, we'll leave that alone. Sports roulette. True. Mesh override. We want to make that into our skeletal mesh, which is, let me open this up. Make sure it's saved, and it's gonna load. We'll right click, copy that to the clipboard. And that'll be there. The icon, oh, that's what I forgot to do. I actually did make an icon. Hopefully it works. Open that up. I'll shorten it. Neko Hood icon. Okay. Failure. Check that its size is a power of 2. Oh, okay. We need to resize it then. let me do that. Open in paint.net real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Did this little drawing real quick. And let's resize you to, I don't know, maybe 400? 400 will work. It is a power of 2. So, maybe. What size are the icons in this one already? That icon. There we go. You are 256 by 256. And oh, that one's like really high quality. 1024. Okay, so it doesn't really matter, but also why is it not working? Because this is already resize it to the smaller one. Not that. Nope. 2, 5, 6. There we go. I don't like that. Enlarge it. Are there like any medium sizes that I can copy off of? 512? Yeah, we can do that one. Hopefully that'll work. Save it. I can always replace it later if like it looks weird, but for now, let's go over here, cross that out, import this. Just that. Okay. And there we go. Now I want to copy that to the clipboard. Put it right here. Copy texture 2D, custom. Let's make sure it's saved within the content editor. Content browser. So I can name that one flat hair ponytail VIQ. Section group. Cosmetic item name. This doesn't. Oh, here we go. Ponytail determines if cat hits ponytail. I said normally hides her ponytail off will disable that feature. Since okay. So we do still want it on, or I guess we could just delete this line entirely. Oh, actually, no, we do want it on because the sprint hat wouldn't, by default, hide the ponytail. Okay. And that is that. Check out this one. For other properties, you can put in the default, like hiding the kids' bangs. Yes, we do actually want that. So let's see here. Cosmetic info. Hide front hair. Hide ponytail. Okay, so it's just that. Equals same thing, CIQ on. Yeah, CIQ override. Hopefully that works as I think it will. What else do we have? Override physics assets. Maybe? Can we... Cosmetic item, chicken, cow, parent directory here. Ice hat, cat beanie. Hey! There we go. This one has this. So, how about I just copy you? Hoppity hoppity, your physics are now mine. I'll put that right there. Quality, icon, socket name. Oh, there's a socket for beanie? Maybe I should have done that one. I can probably still do that one, actually. Hold on, what does the beanie do? No. We'll keep going before I change anything too major. In fact, let me actually just comment that one out. And we'll see how it is without it. Rest of that is fine. Unlock preview scale. Section group, ice hat. Okay. And cosmetic item name is you can put a string that allows you to use the localization field, give your head a name. If you don't, the show will show up as it'll say ice hat. If you want to name, paste this into the text file. Why does it have trigger abilities here? Well, we already have the localization file, so we'll just be using that. Where is it? Here we go. Okay. That's because that's just what it is. We want echo red at name. That's not a mouthful. Okay. There we go. We'll save those. And let's see. It's done. In the event you aren't replacing a mesh, just looking to change the material in game, you can actually adjust the materials. Oh, okay. So that's what that is. Which I think we will have to play with to get the various die support working. So might not have time for that. Physics. Ah. Yes, we do. Ribbon physics. Oh, okay. So that should be fine if we just do that. Add another time. Tell the game it has a physics to apply it. Oh, has physics. Copy that. Turn it on. Which isn't in the base Cat Hat one. Maybe back. Or maybe it's in this one. No, that's the actual function of it. On, off, none. Abstract, always loaded. Okay. Doesn't look like there's anything there. So what is acid instance? Maybe it's just because we're like using a different one. One specifies the asset, another line they believe to tell the game it has it and to apply it. Not covered in the guide. Okay. Word behavior. Will by default hide a bunch of material slots, nothing to worry. Okay. That doesn't apply right now. Setting up file structure, that's already done. By default, half Flair will show up in the roulette. If you don't want it there and rather have it straight up, then there's another we can add after setting it to false. Okay. Here's the available instantly thingy. Let me actually... Yeah, we'll put that to false and I'll have it available instantly so we can check if it's working. On event loaded. Okay. Get loadout. And if I want to give multiple items, then do I need to have that? Or I guess we could just do like multiple of these files. But we'll do just another one. Yeah, because I already have this ready. Extends. Give item. That player, that's all the same. We will get loadout. Class. Okay, here we go. Put that right there. Oh. There we go. So we want this to be class ability. Statue fall. No, we want it to be sprint. And then this is class star, quality info, DD hat. We want to copy this one and scar. Yeah, we want to put it right here. And I think we had an issue where it wasn't giving me the sword when this one was set to false, so let's also change that to true. And that should be good. Yep, we changed that. We changed the quality info. We named it. Made sure the name matches. Recompile, cook, and test. Okay, double check everything here is saved. That's all good. We can minimize that. Get this out of the way. Oh, whoops. Okay. So, compile scripts. That'll run through everything. And that was fine. Now we can go down here, click the mod. That's going to open another thing. We're going to try making Minimin for the first time. Wish you luck. Good luck. What is Minimin? Did it? Okay, yeah, I can't click anymore, so it definitely registered my click there. There we go. Command has opened, and now we wait. Turkish breakfast, but you're making red for lunch. breakfast for lunch. Those green pepper crunchies. Ooh, sounds tasty. Okay. That's good. I'm going to, oh, whoops. It must have registered me clicking on the cook mod again. I mean, we can just, oh, nope. Apparently that was, necessary. Time to wait again. Hopefully that doesn't take too long. Actually, I shouldn't be doing that because it's gonna show on screen. If it all works out, we should have a nice looking hat Flair in the game. Setting up file structure at the end. Honestly, kind of agree. That should be the first thing you do. Set up all the folders and where the files are. Hilda, pretty good guide. Mostly I liked the links to this. This especially. I know we can actually find these in like local folders, but it's good to have it easily accessible here. Okay, that's done. Close that. We can test. Oh. Oh wait, no, it's fine. We'll open to the title screen. Check out the fox mask. Physics. Which one is cat? Wireframe, bow. Actually, no, I think that one's the pink one. Yeah. What does the ability itself look like? Match in time game is loading, so while it does that, I'm going to just look through this. Extends had ability trigger. And sound iMesh. Oh, there we go. Didn't get to look at much. We lost track updates. Okay, first off, let me turn this down. There we go. And okay. This is the custom dye that I was playing with. Definitely gonna change the hair color. But for now, oh wait, I'm in the wrong section. Not here. Yep. It is not here. Hi. Is there anything here? Is there something I just forgot to enable maybe? Is it in the roulette? Heck yeah. Even if it was, I don't think I can tell. Let's end that. Yeah. That's a bad blur, sure. Why do I even have the time stop? Did I play this file? Oh wait, no, this is my modding test. I enabled like give everything at one point. Yeah, it should be a sprint hat Flair, which it is not here. As expected, test time did not work. Also, I need to lower down that sword because we were just grabbing the handle. Actually, I think I do have something to show here. I went back to the script for the goddess sword and I added it as a hook point, so it's no longer just we're holding a stick. And does this work here? No, it doesn't. And I also replaced the falling so that with the umbrella badge, it is actually using the umbrella. But that is not what we want to do right now. Okay. Let's open that stuff back up. Why aren't you working? Close all that. Echo name. Let's grab you. And now I have the rest of stream to figure out why is it not in here. Maybe this one does need to be false. We could do that. Because it seems there wasn't anything wrong within the script itself. We didn't get any errors. Maybe I should have clicked refresh first. We'll do that, then compile again. Maybe I can load into a test scene. Okay, that was good. Flair controller, that's all, yeah. We want available instantly. Actually, does it show up here? Contain skin, yeah. We have contains hat flare, so the mod itself is registering that it's there. Track name is stuck on Lifelight. There we go. Did that fix it? Okay, yeah, that looks fixed. Me messing with all of these tabs must have accidentally unloaded it or something. Refresh, recompile. We check all of this. Event mod unloaded. And what? The item will be. Make it false. That is definitely. Yeah, that's definitely the right file. Out in here. Our names match. It would have given us an error if they didn't. And this is them explaining all of the things. The compiling is done. So let's hit cook mod. The script, we should be able to enable and disable the mod in game. It's done. Mod manager will automatically detect the script and add the tag for available instantly. This has the added effect of that by disabling the mod before installing. Mod will behind a duplicate. Okay, let's do its thing. Right, we can't actually do anything with that anymore until this is done. Production. What should I do after the hat? Maybe a full-on costume? No, I think I'm going to keep working on the hat, try to understand how the material is going to work out. Because I want to add that, like, that cloth texture that they have. Might see what happens if I just copy paste everything except the texture itself from the other hats. And I'm glad I did a lot of the work in terms of modeling beforehand, because it's already been around 3 hours and like this is just putting it into the game. Oh, you're all done. Took around a little over a minute. Okay. This is, whoops. This is definitely here. We can test. Click that. Okay, we've basically the only change is setting the bool for if B back to false. Which seemed to be the issue with it not giving me the weapon. Don't know why it would be the opposite way around for the hats, but just trying things. I think if this doesn't work, then I might try and put everything into one file in terms of the stuff. So like put all of the Neko hats, put the code for it to give it to me in the weapons one. Okay. Still nothing. We have this hat Flair. We have Dweller Mask, Time Stop Hat, Dweller Mask. Why aren't you giving me the item? Go into my mods. Yeah, we have this. It is enabled. Just not working. And I know the mod itself is fine. Okay, let's try moving all of this. Well, there's no reason why it wouldn't. Okay. Which one was it? I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Static, add backpack, get the player controller, get the loadout. Okay. And that's there. Copy. If I do this, yeah, I don't know if that would actually really do anything. Copy. This is weird. It is weird. I think there's actually some... I could look at some examples. And by examples, I mean the other mods. Where is it? There it is. If I click this on, I can actually go over... what's a good one to use? I think probably this one. Why is it just language pack? Okay, maybe not just this one, because all they have is that, and then try a different. About this. Items are available. Yeah, I want... Why isn't this tag showing up for us? Classes. Okay, these are all separated. Animal quality, game mod, on-hat player. This costume change. Unloaded. Remove this stuff. That's different. This is similar-ish. Like, I don't think there's a problem in this one. It's just, why isn't it giving the hat? Mod loaded. Yeah, they made like a custom variable here. And And for us, we have Bulby, which I don't even know, like, what that is, when that is setting off. Else. Oh, maybe we need to remove that. This falls down here. Okay, let's try that before I go messing around in the code that is already working. Review. Oh, never mind. That was just because I copied it from this top one. Okay, how about... How about we just basically do this? Copy view. And constant change. And this is basically all the same. We only have one option there. All the info, search any. What is that? Oh, that's this. Except you are doing costumes, actually. Or maybe it's different. Do I even have any hat Flair mods? Nanny. Oh, we have the Snatcher Scarf. Browse that one. Also close these. And this one says it's available instantly too. So why is it that mine doesn't? Or unlock? Yeah, they have like different files depending on if it's hat or bow kid. Unhacker false. Okay, this is the one I need to look at. On mod loaded. If item true. On active spawn. Is it because of all of this? On mod unloaded. Yeah, this is just so like they wanted to reduce the code. Remove backpack, add backpack. So what if I just move this? X, put that there. We want to remove here. On the spawn, new object, new identifier. We'll move that over here. That is still false. And remove this function entirely. And everything else, don't need that line anymore. Save that. Make sure that's all saved up. This. And if I go over here, refresh, recompile those. Hope that it doesn't give me any errors. Okay, looks fine. Now if I go back to info, still not saying items are available immediately. Why isn't that tag popping up? Maybe I need to edit the weapons as well. You know what? Yeah. We'll mess with this. We'll see if it'll still give us this. Let's see if that works. Right. Need to recompile again. That's gonna. It did go into this one. Since you're here, might as well extend it. It's endeavors. That's cute. I don't want the head to move. Very hard to work around, but not recommend. Atlas. Physics override. Give it their own physics. Nope. That's done. I refresh you. Oh wait, hold on. Wrong one. I wanted to refresh you. And still nothing. Don't know why though. Maybe it's because of me having everything in folders. Let's just move all of those for the sake of like that. And I don't think that actually needs to recompile it. Oh, there it is. It's because it couldn't read the tags couldn't read where it was. Okay, so theoretically that should be working now. I'll keep that open, but for now, we want to cook. I'll go over there. We are gonna let's just close it. What else was in this? Localization, compiled scripts. Yeah. Okay, I think that's just part of the actual, once you like send it to the workshop. It's a localization file. That's just here. Yep. Proper recognition. I didn't like that breathing. Don't choke yourself on it. Okay. That's progressing. And this thing is basically the same as the Hackett one, probably. Let's close that real quick. I can't click anything with the mod manager. Not until this is done, at least. I'm not really using the editor right now. Oh, that was quick. You can close that, and we can hit test. And while that's loading, how about I just look through some more of these? Like this, which is a completely custom hat. Or, looks like it categorizes it as a hat Flair. Model source sound effects, so let's... There's a content thing. Helmet mod, compatibility. Okay, this one, this is the give, and this one is extends compatibility fox mask. Oh, okay. Yeah, it appears as a separate hat in game, but basically they just modified the box mask abilities. And by modified, that specific hat, the dweller effect just lasts until you turn it off instead of for a duration. Okay, let's enter game. Hopefully I still have my sword. I do still have my sword. That is promising. Now if I go to my menu, and nothing. Yeah. We just had specific. Did it go into costumes? Why is it not showing up? Like that's showing up. They have the same code. Pretty sure they have the same code. Hold on. Why do you keep doing that? Let me open up the I don't want that one, I want this one. I wanted to open this and also this. Is it because it's lower down on the list? Can only one of these work at a time? That's not it, right? Guess I'll need to test it out. Yeah. We need to disable that thing. Okay. Let's put that there. No, because this is also a separate file and it works. True. False. This doesn't even seem to matter. Because it gave me the sword. I'm pretty sure it gives it. Did it give me the skin? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it gave me the skin as well. Like add hat ability. Likable. If I that's the wrong folder. If I just temporarily disable these. Any way I could do that? I could like comment this out maybe. Will that be a problem? We can always just get rid of both of them. Okay. I compile, probably hide the downloaded mods. If I compile that, one, will it still say that we have a skin and a weapon in there? Refresh. Or will it just be... No, it's just what? It's just these. It's all of them. Okay, what if I just temporarily move all of you over to there? Content. No, we don't want that. We want the localization. Collectibles. And I want to really quick comment that out. Yeah, whatever. Save. Actually, does that matter? It's not showing whether it is. Let's just, wrong one. Just open that up. And we'll move this. Took you 45 minutes to grate a kilogram of tomatoes. Oh my, that's a lot of tomato. We'll save that there. Now let's say this only has the files for the hat Flair. Everything else is gone. If I refresh, are your tags going to go away? They are. And my items are supposed to be available immediately. And did I make any changes to these? I don't think I did. Let's just call this true. Since we've tested out the false with the new rearrangement, though. Shouldn't really change anything. It might. I'll just quick refresh, recompile. Only I can make a deal with Godhead mods required. Unity engine. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're going to wait another whole minute just so that it can load. And then we're going to wait another couple minutes just so we can get in game to see if we even have the item. Don't know why it isn't working. Like, the code is all the same as what the tutorials are saying. as well as basically what like these ones are showing. You need to sing that. Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine 3. Da. Da, 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 da. Waiting for it to load. Da, 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 da. I need to find something to do while like this stuff is happening. It doesn't take too long, but like repeatedly every few minutes it gets a bit dragging on. Test. Ads are running up that hill. Okay. While we wait for having time to load. How about okay. Has it loaded? Yep. We're going to get a freeze frame of the intro and get right into it. So I should not have that could die or my sword anymore. Oh my god. Ah. It worked. I don't know what I did, but it worked. Oh. We are getting a little bit of... Oh, that's interesting. It's like unloading it when we're in like the dithered mode. Hold on, let me... there we go. Look at us. This is what I wanted to do. Oh, it even has... the physics is already there. Yeah. Maybe I should move the bones a little. Still low. Looks good. Yay! Oh, I need to test how it looks muddied. I don't really need to, but I want to. Which one's the best one? She came from outer space. Did it! Yes! I can finally take a break. Thank you very much for the stretch time. Now to see if I can get it working with all of the other things going. Okay. Looks like it's a bit buggy. I think I might have kind of fixed this up. How does it look? Looks good. Ooh, like muddy plus the shadow puppet texture is interesting. Okay. Thank you for the head pats. Also, hello, Selena. Good to see ya. And of course, right. Let's do a really quick came out right. I think it came out all right. Definitely still a little still needs some work, but we got it in the game and it looks good. Look at us, we're so cute. Oh. Whoops. Yeah, it's like it's flickering, but works. Wow. Oh. Oh, right. Forgot to let you take my hat. Okay, you know what? Actually, yes, back to dub. Let's just walk around regular subcon instead. Nope. Oh, right, my mods are gone. Oh. Oh wow, it does not like whatever angle I was standing at right there. Does it? Yes, it does. Oh yeah, that's good. The art could definitely use some work, but it works. Hello. I'm like you now. that is all for today. Thank y'all very, very much for being here while I struggled. Oh, lol. Makes no sense given it's a hood, but still. That little idle animation. But yeah, thank y'all for being here as I struggled and kind of succeeded in adding my own custom hat flare. Okay. Let's go over here. Pause that. Exit the game. Exit to there. And yeah. Let's see here. Once again, thank you. The browser was loud. Thank you, Tab, for the raid. Really appreciate it. Thank you, everyone who stopped by, said hi, lurked, hung out. Really, really glad y'all keep coming back. And in the meantime, let's find someone to raid. Who do we want to, go invade? Dun, 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 dun. What are you doing, Kate? Prop night. Or maybe you? Huh. I don't know what this is. Looks interesting though. Comes in playing some Hi-Fi Rush. Yeah, sure. Let's raid you. Where's my dashboard? Need to open it. Okay, we'll get that started. And this was exciting. I'm glad you found it exciting. Nice progress, lots of learning. Continuing to learn. Tomorrow we will continue even more. Don't know what exactly I'll be doing. I might return to the level editor. I might try and play with the hat flare a bit more. But yeah, once again, thank y'all very, very much. I hope you enjoyed, and I bid everyone a good night, morning, evening, afternoon, daytime, whenever, wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Have a good one. take care, and bye bye.